I remember years ago, and I'm sure people do too, when I used to say, just like the Acura commercial, that I wanted to drive up a hill and also have a car to do it. I'm not too sure if you remember the commercial when the person in that Acura car was driving up the hill, and when he got up to the hill, the person said, "So do you want the house or not?" He turned around and looked at the drive and said, "I'll take it." When I saw that commercial, I lived that same lifestyle, and I used to tell people, I want a drive like that, and I want a car that can take me to the top. Fortunately, I did get a car, and that is an Acura. The key thing is the only two-seater Acura, and that's a little gift we'll unwrap soon. Now, the key to that is I did get that drive, and I did get that car. So in a little bit, we'll be showing you exactly what car that is. And again, if you're looking for a way to get it, the best way is to listen to people who already did it. Go get what you want. First, get connected. UCTV, Honolulu, Hawaii, Universal Connections. Aloha.